Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I just wanted to introduce the vlog, and I think I'm about to get started on putting a little bit of Christmas stuff out. My kids have been asking, Mom, when are we gonna put the tree up? And I usually put things up around Thanksgiving week. Well, I did that last year, with COVID. I was trying to be positive. I was on my game, trying to make everybody happy, make the family happy in spite of what was going on. So today I got my husband to get all our stuff out. That large bag has our main tree in it. The smaller white tree is for my kids. They usually put the little ornaments that they've made like at school and stuff. And then I have the train that goes under our main tree. It's right there in that box. And this large green box has most of our ornaments and things of that nature. So, yeah, I'm about to get started. I've been putting this off for a while. It's time. It's time to do it because the kids are asking and I want them to be happy and they enjoy, coming home and the lights are going and it's nice and it's cozy and it's warm. And it's just a warm, fuzzy feeling. So I know they're missing that. And in spite of the fact that I'm not all the way there, that's okay. Because sometimes you have to do things to make others happy. And I still have Thanksgiving things on the front porch. I'll even show you quickly. It's a little cold outside. Yeah, she's still got Thanksgiving stuff out. She does, and she does, and she does. And she does. I mean, I'm out of control. I'm so out of control. So you guys, stick around. I'm about to get started on this task of changing Thanksgiving into Christmas decor in a minute. Let's get started!
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better. Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
So it's been great. It's been great so far. We'll start day 2 and woo! I'll see you guys later. You guys, I'm so tired. Like, this is hard work. This is hard work. I'm serious. This is hard work, but I'm doing it for the kids and also my older kid, my husband. I think all I really got done was the dining room table and the small table in my foyer and the buffet table that's in the dining room. The next step will be to decorate the 3 trees. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. This is day 2 of the decor. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can get done today. So glad you're back, glad you're here, and let's get started today. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, real quick, you guys, like, I love my nails. I just did a new Christmas set. Oh my goodness. This mocha brown, that mocha brown, that mocha brown. Life, like, it's giving me life. I think they're so cute. Like, I don't know, it's Christmas, but not too much Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm loving them, loving them, loving them. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys my nails. Hello, beautiful people. I don't even know what day this is. Like, is this day 2, day 3? I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm wrapping this thing up. I'm going to put some lights and some greenery on the stairs, and that's gonna pretty much wrap up what I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you guys at the end. Maybe I should do it at night when I show everything, all the little areas that I've put a little bit of decoration into. But anyway, I'm excited. This is almost over, and I'm proud of myself. I was struggling a little bit this year, trying to get into the spirit, and it was a little easier for me last year for some reason, but this year it's been just a little bit tougher. But anyway, I did this for the kids, and I'm glad that I accomplished this goal. And I've got glitter all over me. It's all over my face, guys, but it's all worth it because to see the look on my kid's face has been awesome. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I will see you guys on the next one. If I don't post another video before Christmas on YouTube, I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I love you guys, my ride or die crew that's watching my videos, and I really appreciate you, and you know who you are. So thanks, and I'll see you guys in the new year.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me light. Christmas night.